knife.
I am going to have a bit though.
No.
Want a bit?
Get me some paper. Get me some paper.
What
Oh, you're talking to me?
Yeah.
You
What,
just
any
said get me
paper?
some paper. There's tons of people in here.
Piece of line.
Yeah.
You seriously going to try and staple a bit of paper through jelly?
Yeah.
I don't know if there's staplers in there.
Oh, Amy. Yeah, baby. See, told you, I don't need alcohol.
No, you don't.
What did you put in them cookies? Oh, mate, it's like...
Did it work?
No, there's no staples in there.
Oh,
She took
right.
the staples out.
Health and
why would you do
safety.
that?
Dan, go get some staples.
No, I'll just ruin it.
It's already ruined. It's in jelly.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to work.
Staples in there? Oh, it's all inside as well.
That's funny.
Oh, mate, that is just
Oh.
minging.
Go get me some staples, quick! You should post this on the Inspire training thing.
Oh, I will, don't worry. Be on
Bonding
Facebook
session.
tonight.
This is what we do.
Yeah.
Staples and jelly.
Karen is looking at me absolutely appalled. It's like, that's my assessor. In your own time.
Lol.
Did you say long?
Are we
There
in?
once was a girl called Betty. Run back a bit more. That's it, you've got to put it in.
Are we in?
Yeah.
Just got to put it nice and wide while Dan sticks it in there.
Ew.
Go on, push. Oh.
Oh.
Wow.
That's what they call a stable diet.